Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create amazing and beautiful thumbnail like this in Adobe Photoshop. So first of all I will press Ctrl N. We will create a new file here, or you can simply come here in the file and you can click on new. Now we'll select, we'll give 1280 by 720 resolution. We can select 300 and press OK. Now we have here a blank image and we will create same exactly look like this. So first of all we have yellow border here, and if we come here in the second selection tool, this I will select. You can select even bigger, but I will select this one. This is enough for me. I will adjust little bit by pressing left, right, or move up, down buttons from the keyboard. You can do it. Now what we'll do next, we'll simply click press from the keyboard button Control Shift and I. Control Shift and I, and you will see here it has selected our border. So now our border is yellow, so I will come here in this area, I will choose yellow. Now here what will next, simply press from your keyboard Alt and backspace, and you will see our border is ready. By pressing Control and D, Control plus D, I will deselect this area. Now what we have next here, we have this black box here. Again we'll come here, same tool, select the area you want to do, you want to add black box. Now here simply I have, because in this area I have selected, so I will change by pressing this. Again I will press press Alt plus backspace, and you will see here I have black box here, and again I will click on Control D to deselect. Now what we have here, it has written change anything in document. Okay, I'll come back here, and by pressing this text tool I will simply click here and I will write change, or let me change color of it. I will select white. From here you can select, you can change your text color, but you must have to select your text. Change anything in document. Okay, I will click here and press space button, and then again V tool, this first one. Now by pressing Control plus T, I can adjust size of it, and you can see if I select, it is automatically moving. By pressing Alt button you can adjust, or even with the Shift you can adjust manually. If you keep pressing Shift button or Alt button, it will like this. Okay, now we have here yellow. I will again come here in the text button and I will select document. Here I will select yellow. Now it's done. Now what we have next here, we have these two images. These images you can get easily from the Google. I will go to the Google and will write PDF logo. Now if you press here and click on search, and you can select any file from here. Simply click on that, right click on that and click on copy image come back in the Adobe Photoshop, simply press Ctrl V, and you can see it's a very large file. By pressing Ctrl plus T, I can adjust size of this image, as you can see. But there is a problem. As you can see here, we have black color here on the outside of image. So how we will remove? There is lots of ways to removing. By pressing this eraser, you can erase, but it will not erase good. As you can see, I will press Ctrl Z, and now how we will remove automatically? Press W from your keyboard, W. Now you will see here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Our fourth tool, magic wand tool, we have to select here. If you come here in this area, black, click on black, and you can press delete, and you can see it will delete automatically black area. So by pressing Ctrl plus space button, you can zoom it. T delete button. Okay. Now for zoom out, press Alt plus space, Alt. As you can see, Alt plus space, and click on the image. Now for saving time, I will delete this image, and I will take this image from here for sake of saving your time, because video will be very big. Now what we have here, as you can see here, edit any document in Photoshop. Okay, we'll come back here and press on T, click here in the blank area, edit any document in Photoshop, select this, edit any document in Photoshop. Now we need to change color. What colors we have? Black, red, and you can say blue. I will press on T. I will click on black, red, and then again black, and this one Photoshop will be this color. Now again click on the V tool, this selection, and adjust the size. As you can see, by pressing Shift, I can adjust size of this one. This is all it was capital, so edit any document in Photoshop. Now this one is black, this one is red, this one also, this is I will make red, and this one Photoshop will be blue color. Now again I will press this one, and by pressing Ctrl T, I will adjust. Again I will, by pressing Shift, if you keep pressing Shift button, you can see here you can edit this one. keep pressing shift, and then you can edit also. You with the control and shift you can use whatever you want. Now what we have next here, this edit PDF in Photoshop. For saving time, I will take this text in this area, and I can adjust colors of this one, black, red and all. Now our second last step is to make this blue box and write yellow. Now again select here this selection tool, select the area you want to change it into blue, and come here in this area, color selection, blue. Okay, now here we will press Alt plus backspace button. Sorry, let me select this background. As you can see, we have blue box here right now. By pressing Ctrl D, I will deselect this area now. Now we'll go to the image what we have, learn step by step process. Okay, now again we will come here in T. Now there is another superb trick I will show you. That let's suppose we need same size of text here without writing, and you can see size will be different. So what we will do, we will select this text here and press Alt button and drag it up to here, and you will see we have same size of text. We can just simply edit this. If we double click here on there, that learn step by process. Now this one we will need yellow, so we'll click yellow, then OK. As you can see here, we have here now this one. So this is, we will, by pressing Ctrl T and pressing Alt, we will just adjust a little bit, and then what we have to do, we need to add this one. For saving time, I will take this one here. Now our design thumbnail is ready. Now for saving your time, I will give you this Photoshop source file in a description box. You can download and you can easily edit as per your requirements. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe channel Dr. Mobo.